Today, Jay Jarvis talked to the homeowner who just narrowly avoided getting some serious damage to their home.
She joins us live on Pike Lake Drive tonight. Jade?
Well, Tiffany and Todd, Ken Shaman tells me he and his wife are so grateful that the 3 large trees that are in front of their property did not fall onto their home last night. And they don't know for sure, but they think that those trees might have taken the brunt of the force of that tornado and saved them from more damage.
You know, they say, don't mess with Mother Nature. Don't mess with Mother Nature because you're not going to win. You know, that Mother Nature always wins.
Ken Shaman says when the storm came barreling through his neighborhood Monday night, he and his wife quickly huddled together in a small closet inside their home.
And then when I came out, when I looked, there's 3 of them, the one on the left, I saw it. I go, the tree looks like it's gone. And I said, it is gone, it's not there.
These 3 massive trees toppled over from the force of the confirmed EF0 tornado that blew through here, narrowly missing Shaman's home, but landing on top of some power lines.
The power went off at about between 6:30 and 7, and they came and they shut it off because the power was sizzling and it was on fire actually. So FP&L came and they shut it off.
The National Weather Service says that tornado reached wind speeds of 70 to 75 miles per hour.
It's funny because we've seen additional trees down to the southwest in a more rural part of Palm City near I-95, where we saw quite a few trees down. In fact, we talked to one homeowner who had 5 trees down on his property. So I can't say that this is necessarily the worst, but visually it's the most impactful.
There will certainly be a lot of cleanup in the coming days, but Shaman is just thankful to not have to make any doctor's visits.
I just look at it that I'm just glad that nothing happened to me and my wife, that we were safe. The trees can be replaced, okay, but as long as we didn't get hurt and the house didn't get damaged, that's all I care about.
Unfortunately, we have not heard any reports of injuries resulting from this storm. Live in North River Shores, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.